Why is the Pantheon's unreinforced concrete dome still standing today? Imagine a structure built nearly 2,000 years ago that still holds strong without modern steel reinforcements. That's what makes the Pantheon such a marvel. Its durability is no accident but the result of clever engineering and smart choices by ancient Roman builders. The Romans used a special kind of concrete called Roman concrete, which included volcanic ash known as pozzolana. This volcanic ash helped the concrete set underwater and made it incredibly strong. They mixed it with lime and various stones, adjusting the mixture depending on where it was used. Heavier materials like travertine and terracotta tiles were placed at the bottom of the dome, while lighter volcanic stones such as pumice and scoria were used near the top. This gradation reduced the overall weight of the dome, easing the pressure on the supporting walls. The shape of the dome itself is carefully designed to spread out the weight evenly. It is thicker at the base, about 6.4 meters, and tapers to about 1.2 meters near the oculus, the big round opening at the top. This tapering helps prevent the dome from collapsing under its own weight. Inside the dome, there are a series of stepped rings that act like internal supports, helping to hold the structure together. The massive drum wall beneath the dome is about 6.4 meters thick and contains arches and vaults that channel the forces downward into 8 large piers. These piers act like giant pillars, stopping the dome from spreading outward. The interior coffers, or recessed panels, also help reduce weight without weakening the structure. The oculus, which is about 9 meters across, not only lets in light but also cuts down on weight at the weakest point of the dome. The Romans understood that concrete is very strong when compressed but weak when pulled apart. The dome's curved shape puts most of the concrete under compression, which it handles well. Over time, some cracks appeared because of tension stresses, but the overall structure stayed stable thanks to the thick supporting walls and the careful distribution of forces. The design cleverly balances these forces, making sure the dome remains standing. This achievement shows how Roman engineers combined their knowledge of materials, geometry, and forces to create something that has lasted for centuries. The use of unreinforced concrete in such a large and complex shape was a true display of Roman skill. The Pantheon's dome proved that concrete could be used to make vast open spaces without internal supports, influencing architecture for generations. Its survival today is a clear sign of the ingenuity and craftsmanship of Roman builders, who understood how to make structures that could stand the test of time.